Having a good indicator for trading is super important because such tool can provide you with accurate entry signals, which in its turn gives you a massive advantage over other market players. But finding a really good indicator is probably one of the hardest challenges one might face, as there are thousands of different options out there, 99% of which are total trash. So in order to save you some time, I decided to share my new top 3 TradingView indicators for scalping, day trading and swing trading that will instantly give you an edge in the market. By the way, if you're really looking to take your trading skills to the next level and make a sustainable career in this industry, you definitely need to consider signing up for Trader Edge. Trader Edge is literally the best backtester on the internet. Thousands of traders around the world are using Trader Edge to get an edge in their competition. Trader Edge is 3 times faster than a traditional backtesting method. All you need to do is to set your initial account size and the profit and loss per trade. Trader Edge will give you all the info you need about the strategy, such as the win ratio, the profit and loss, the maximum drawdown and much more. Once you finish the backtesting, you can save the results to the strategy library. Besides their quick and easy backtester, they've also got some other useful features on their website, such as the position size calculator, which can be really handy for those who trade forex and commodities, the profit and loss calendar, where you can track your trading performance and make some important notes, and the indicators and strategies menu. Here you can find and download some super accurate tools for MT4 and TradingView platforms, and they've all been proven to work. If you're not entirely sure how to backtest, no worries, you will get a full step-by-step backtesting plan which has $100 value. If you're not sure how to build a profitable trading strategy, no problem. You will also get a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has $270 value. And if you sign up right now, they'll also include 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that have $100 value. So that's around $500 worth of bonuses, all for free, but only if you sign up right now. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there is absolutely no risk at all. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Okay, now let's start with the first indicator, which is called the TraderXO Macro Trend Scanner. This indicator by BTC Charlie. This is a very simple 2-line cross indicator. It consists of 2 exponential moving averages, and whenever they cross each other, the indicator issues a signal to buy or to sell. As we all know, EMAs act as a good identification of trends. When we access the indicator settings, we can see that in the input section, we've got plenty of options to customize. I'm going to show you what settings I personally use for this indicator, but for now, let's take a look at some of the signals issued on default settings. So, just like with any other indicator, the signals can get really accurate when the market is trending. Notice we had a really good signal to buy right here. The following short signal was also really successful. We can see that the risk-reward ratio is 2:1 as minimum. However, when the market is ranging, the indicator starts issuing some fake signals. So in order to minimize these signals, we need to tweak the settings. Right away we can see that the indicator became faster. Notice the majority of fake signals have disappeared. However, this doesn't mean that you can use this indicator alone. A good idea would be to add a second or even a third confirmation to eliminate even more bad signals. For the second confirmation indicator, you can add, for example, trend alerts. And for the third confirmation, you can add a high-high, low-low strategy in which you have to change some settings. So the conditions for entering a long trade would be as follows. First, the TraderXO must print a new bull signal. Second, the price action must be making higher highs. This means that the very recent label on a high-high, lower-low strategy must be higher-high. And the last condition is to have the trend alert colored in green. With this strategy, you can even target 3-1 risk reward, but make sure you move your stop loss to the break even as soon as the price action reaches a risk reward ratio of 1-1. Here are a couple more examples. We can see the price action is making higher highs, the indicator issued a bull signal, and the trend alert confirms it. If for some reason you missed the entry, don't worry, the indicator is more likely to print another one a few candlesticks later. Here's another valid long entry. Also notice how well these bad short entries got eliminated. This is because we have this amazing trend filter on a chart. We can see that we've got plenty of signals to enter the market as long as it's trending. For short trades though, the rules are exactly opposite. First, you're going to be waiting for a new bear signal issued by the Trader XO indicator. Second, you're going to take a look at the high, lower, low strategy, and its most recent label must say lower, low. This means that the market is still heading downwards and there is no sign of trend reversal. And lastly, the trend alerts indicator must be red color. As we can see, traders, this strategy works like a charm, so definitely give this indicator a try, but make sure you backtested and forward tested before trading live. Alright, now let's move on to the second indicator. This one is called Trend Flex, another new ELIS indicator by Dassen C. This is a very simple to read oscillator that can be used as a secondary confirmation. You can make the indicator a bit more reactive by changing a trend filter to 0.8. Now let's understand how this indicator works. Generally, when the buying pressure is high, the indicator will get colored in green. This is probably the best time to enter the market as the trend is officially confirmed. On the other hand, when the selling pressure is increased, the background will get colored in purple. Now let me show you a very simple yet highly effective strategy with this tool. First, head over to the indicators section and type in trend lines with breaks. Then select this indicator by Lux Algo. Make sure you keep the settings on default. So here are the rules for entering a short trade. First, we need to have a bearish breakout. This happens when the price action breaks below the lower trend line. Second, the market must form a bearish candlestick that is closed below the previous one. And the last condition is to have the trend flex indicator colored in purple. For a buy entry, we need to have a bullish breakout. The market must form a bullish candlestick that is closed above the previous one, and the trend flex must be green. If the background is light green, you do not take the trade. Obviously, this is just an example. You can use some other indicators with this tool, but overall I think it's doing a great job at eliminating losing trades, so feel free to give it a try. Okay, so in order to find the last indicator, you need to type in Turtle Trader Channels, and you need to select the first one that has over 10,000 likes. The Turtle Trading Channels indicator is a trend following indicator which has been developed to generate simple trend-based signals. This tool is very simple to read, which offers a great advantage to newbie traders who struggle to enter the trades within the trend directions. It works on all time frames and is suitable for trading forex, stocks or commodities. It consists of buy signals, sell signals, exit signals, and the stop loss levels. In the input section, I recommend to change the entry length from 20 to 10. Also, in the star section, you want to get rid of those long and short exits. So, just by looking at these signals, we can see that they're quite accurate. Obviously, not all of them will give you successful entries, that's why you need to add some more indicators to the chart. For the first indicator, search for a money flow index, then install this indicator right here. Then access its settings and change the plot color to white. For the second indicator, add a zero lag SMA. Set its length at 50 and change its color to white. Now, the conditions for entering a long trade are simple. First, the money flow index must get oversold. This happens when the white line crosses inside the red zone and the indicator prints a green circle. Second, the white line must break above the 40 level, and within a few candlesticks after the breakout, the indicator must print a long entry. The last condition is to have the price action sitting above the zero lag SMA. For short entry, the money flow index must first get overbought, then the white line needs to cross below the 60 level, and within a few candlesticks a short entry signal must appear. For a final confirmation, the price action must be below the zero lag SMA. Okay, so these were my top 3 indicators for trading. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe to TradingView. Also check out my best strategy on the channel if you haven't seen it already.